my way, but boy that no one come borrow girl close. I mean, no see the boy if he call me out, me name go down the road. Come on, not easy forget, and if a boy get me, not go easy for let. Promise.
Maybe I should vlog. I was thinking that too. Hi.
Aren't you gonna say where you are? You vlogging?
Well, well, I guess so. Since I
Might as well
picked up
say
the
where
camera.
you are then, and show the cookies thing.
I'm at Craig's Cookies. Oh. Okay. Am I in focus? So we are Craig's Cookies, guys. I'm with the Lewis girls.
Yes.
It's been a while since you've seen them on my channel.
Right.
I don't want to talk about it, but yeah.
Long story.
Long story.
Complicated.
Complicated.
But we're at Craig's Cookies. I don't know if you guys can see that, but
I'm thinking this vlog is gonna be combined with like another vlog as well. So if you guys see it kind of random, that's just because I combined it together.
And we're also going to Eaton Center.
Yeah.
So stay tuned, you guys.
Stay tuned. We're gonna eat some cookies. These cookies are good.
Right? Seriously, that's what I'm saying.
Supposed to get rid of belly.
Okay, so we're about to get her reaction. Which one is that? The chocolate chip?
Mm-hmm.
The other one tastes better, right?
The other one tastes better. It's sweet though.
They're really
Well, no,
sweet.
the toffee
one's really sweet. But that one was good.
Sure you don't want to try a piece?
No, I don't like chocolate.
Really?
I like white chocolate.
Not bad, but oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh shit, I almost dropped.
Doing the people. Oh,
Somebody. Oh,
he needs some milk.
we're at Eaton Center. Why is it still recording?
Yeah, because I was recording the tree and it's still recording.
Oh, I thought you meant like, why is my phone still recording? I was about to say you're rude.
What store is this?
Aritzia. Oh.
People are really just standing around watching these people sing. Are they singing again?
No.
There they are.
Me. Come on, lady. This is camera time. This is storage time. Oh, Lord. Are you serious?
And it's right there.
So you want to go? I don't know why I have two little braids dangling on my face. Yo, honestly.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. I didn't even notice. We're going in wine rack. Yo, my hair looks crazy.
Your hair look crazy, my hair look crazy. Look at the two little braids I have in my face.
Is it open? Yeah.
Cheap, yeah. So you go inside there. You guys have samples. Hi.
LULU station. Change for line 2.
Yeah.
Oh, ho, ho!
Ho, ho, ho.
What did your grandfather tell you? Trust me.
I trust you.
I will send the hospital to the hell.
Oh, okay.
I can fuck around.
Okay.
I'm a
Why did
grandfather.
I say anything? Okay, bye. Why did I say anything? It's always the crack.